Standard 4th, Lesson number 4, Shivaji's Childhood. Let us see the details in this lesson. Birth of Shivaji. Those were very unsettled days. Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir, was burned to ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur, and Shahaji Raje was in real trouble. Then Shahaji Raje decided to send Jijabai to Shivneri, as it was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. And Jijabai was pregnant, and the great questions which worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in safety and peace. Then he remembered the Shivneri fort and decided to send Jijabai there. Because Shivneri was a strong fort, it had steep cliffs on four sides, strong fortification and massive doors. And this strong fort was then in charge of Vijay Raj. Vijay Raj was a relative of the Bhosles who agreed to give protection to Jijabai. And then the golden day dawned on the auspicious day of Phalgun Vadya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shakai era, that is on 19th February 1630. Jijabai gave birth to a son. On the 12th day, with the appropriate ceremony, the child was named Shivaji, as the child was born on Fort Shivneri. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled condition. Even so, Jijabai did not neglect his education. Every evening she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. She would shower all her affection on him and tell him stories of Ram, Krishna, Bhim and Abhimanyu. On other occasions, she would recite to him the devotional songs of Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar or Sant Eknath. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. Shivaji felt that on growing up he would also display valor like them. Jijabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons and saints. That instilled in him a great respect and honor for all saints and great men. Now, children from poor families came to play with Shivaji, and sometimes Shivaji visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. The children of the Maulas imitated the sound of birds, built forts of earth, made earthen animals, and played hide and seek or played with a ball or top. And the children of the Maulas were like birds in the forest. They played hide and seek or played with a ball or top, and Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular. So keep on reading on Shivaji's life, and remaining detail we will see in the next session. Thank you.